Understanding your credit score is the first step toward financial control, yet most people are misled by common myths that hold them back. Many believe their credit score changes randomly, but in reality it follows clear financial behaviors and patterns. A widely believed myth is that checking your own credit score will hurt it, which creates unnecessary fear. In truth, checking your score is considered a soft inquiry and has no negative impact on your credit health. Avoiding your score only leads to missed opportunities for improvement, while regular monitoring builds awareness and control. Another myth suggests carrying a balance on your credit card improves your score, which sounds logical but is misleading. Paying your full balance on time actually shows responsibility and positively impacts your credit profile. Making only minimum payments may keep you safe from penalties, but slows down your financial progress significantly. Let's move to another misconception that confuses many people trying to manage their credit. Opening too many credit accounts at once can create instability and signal risk to lenders. However, managing multiple accounts wisely can actually strengthen your credit mix and profile. Some people think closing old credit cards is a smart move, but this can reduce your credit history length. A shorter credit history can lower your score because it removes valuable long-term data. Keeping older accounts active helps maintain a strong and stable credit foundation. Another myth is that avoiding loans entirely will protect your credit score. In reality, having no credit activity can make it difficult to build a strong score. Using credit responsibly over time demonstrates reliability and financial discipline. Consistent on-time payments are one of the most powerful factors in improving your score. Comparing no credit usage with active, responsible usage clearly shows the difference in growth. When you understand these patterns, your credit score becomes a tool you can control instead of fear. Many people assume that a higher income automatically leads to a better credit score, but that is not how the system works. Your income is not directly included in your credit score calculation, even if it improves your financial lifestyle. A person can earn a high salary and still have a poor credit score due to mismanagement. The real driver behind a strong score is consistent payment history and responsible usage. Focusing on timely payments builds a solid financial reputation over time. Another common myth is that all types of debt are harmful and should be avoided completely. In reality, not all debt is bad if it is managed properly and used strategically. Responsible borrowing and timely repayment can actually strengthen your credit profile. The key is maintaining a healthy balance between borrowing and repayment discipline. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt allows smarter financial decisions. Some people worry that every credit inquiry will damage their score significantly. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can have a small negative effect. However, soft inquiries such as checking your own report do not impact your score at all. Knowing the difference helps you avoid unnecessary fear and confusion. Applying for credit in a planned and controlled way protects your financial standing. Another overlooked myth is ignoring errors in your credit report, assuming they are harmless. Even small errors can negatively affect your score if left uncorrected. Carefully reviewing your credit report helps you identify and fix these issues. Taking action to dispute errors improves accuracy and strengthens your profile. A clean and accurate credit report is essential for maintaining a healthy credit score. Many people believe that closing all their debts instantly will create a perfect credit profile. In reality, removing all active accounts can reduce your credit activity and lower your score. A completely inactive credit profile does not provide enough data for strong evaluation. Keeping accounts open and active in a controlled way builds long-term stability. Maintaining a balance between usage and repayment is the smarter financial approach. Another myth is that credit age does not matter when calculating your score. Resetting your credit history by closing old accounts can negatively affect your profile. A longer credit history provides trust and reliability in the eyes of lenders. The age of your accounts plays a key role in strengthening your overall score. Building long-term financial habits always gives better results than short-term actions. Some believe that one quick fix can instantly boost their credit score to perfection. There is no shortcut to building strong credit, and quick fixes rarely deliver lasting results. Improving your credit score is a gradual process that requires discipline and patience. Every positive action contributes a small step toward long-term. Consistency in managing your finances always leads to steady improvement over time. When you follow the right habits, your credit score begins to reflect your discipline. Understanding and avoiding these myths gives you a powerful advantage in financial growth. With the right knowledge, you can take full control of your financial future. Strong credit habits open doors to better opportunities and financial freedom. Your journey to a better credit score starts with awareness, consistency, and smart decisions.